Hey guys, welcome to this iOS setting guide, and here I'll detail how to fix apps not showing on iPhone home screen. So if you downloaded a new application and the new application is not coming up on your iPhone home screen, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix apps not showing on iPhone home screen iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you opened the settings app, just scroll down. Click on home screen and app library. Then under newly downloaded apps, make sure you check add to home screen. This is going to add your newly downloaded apps to your iPhone home screen. But if you choose app library only, this is going to only add the app to your app library without showing on home screen. So select add to home screen. Then once that is done, hit the back button again, come back to your iPhone home screen. On the home screen, go to the app library. Now, on the app library, locate the application you want to add back to the home screen. Let's say this application, just press and hold the application like this. Then you should see add to home screen. Click on it. Then you should see the application added to your home screen just like this. Is that? So that is basically how to fix apps not showing on iPhone home screen iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.